Anyways, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another exciting video. Truly appreciate all the love and support you guys have been showing, man. You guys have been killing it on these videos, you know. So much support, so much comments. Really love to see that from you guys, and it just makes me truly happy that you guys really love this content. You know, all the racing content, install stuff, everything that I'm doing so far to the car meets. You guys have been crushing it. Truly appreciate it. You guys are the freaking best. And yeah, your boy's back for another video. Just thought that I would make another little easy install video for you guys if you guys are interested on actually how to paint your brake calipers. Super cheap. Found this way probably the most effective. Did this on my other car, so and they came out literally perfect. They looked super good, so I just thought I'd bring you guys with me throughout the journey. You know, it's a little small thing, but to all my new car guys that want to do this, I highly recommend it. You know, it looks super good, especially when those roller shots, like if you guys take actual photos of your guys' car and get those rollers, those nice red brakes or whatever color you actually decide to do them, is going to look so good on your car. So yeah, and it's a super cheaper way than actually going to a whole other, you know, shop that can actually do them and leave them really good. But they're pretty pricey. Like for me, they try to quote me like $300. Really not trying to spend that much money, guys, on something I could really do. And if anything, I could always just take it to them. But I don't know, I just thought this was easier way to just do it, super cheaper. And yeah, I think it's gonna look good. So honestly, let's get started with this video. So starting on this install, super easy. First thing you want to do is obviously jack up the car. We're gonna do the front ones first, and then we could go to the back. But yeah, so we lifted this up. Obviously unscrew, we don't want to have it all unscrewed yet. Just unscrew that, have it lifted. For the stuff basically that you're gonna need, so basically some garbage bags to basically align on the side, so when you're doing the spray paint part, you don't get it all over the inside of the car. Obviously some tape to hold that, and then this to take off the bolts. And then this is actually the one that I went with. Saw it on the internet, so thought it was pretty cool. I mean, not that expensive either. I think it was like 10 bucks, and it gives it a really good color. You could get any other one though at any like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Pep Boys, whatever you guys have close to you guys. And then also don't forget this one, which is the gloss one, the clear coat. This one goes at the end, which gives it that good shiny finish. And then get something like this. You don't actually exactly need this, but I just bought this one because I was right there, might as well. So basically this is just to sand out the old paint that we have right there, get rid of that grayish color, kind of just make it go away. And unscrew all the nuts, cut them right there, and get this last one. Take off the tire, do the same thing on the other side, guys, and you guys are pretty much set for that. That's probably like the hardest part on this install. Pretty easy. So yeah, let's do it. First tires all cleared up, super dirty. I think I might as well clean them right now too after this whole thing is done. But the first thing to install, I mean, is to actually just clean off any brake dust that you can right now before you sand it down. So I think the best way was this, just obviously get the hose, get some soapy water, and just clean off all this brake dust because it is super dirty. And I actually did order my Brembo stickers. I ordered some white ones because I do want to make these bright red with the white Brembo lettering, just like how the Shelbys do and all the other top cars. I really love that type of look, and I think it's gonna look super good with this whole red, ruby red with the red brake caliper. Is gonna look super clean. So yeah, I'll show you guys exactly right now where and how much those Brembo stickers costed me. Literally, guys, super cheap off Amazon for like $6. So, and they're made for 6-piston too, so they're gonna be pretty big. You know, they have a bunch of other options, but I'll show you guys exactly right now. Let me just finish cleaning this, and yeah, no more brake dust at all. After this is where the fun begins. So we're gonna get your trash bag. You're gonna basically just line it up all right here, wherever you think like you don't want spray paint obviously to get on it. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna have to cover this whole part right here, make sure nothing gets on it with tape. And yeah, all right, so then once you have all this covered up, got it all covered up right here too, we could honestly start the sanding part. You guys don't need this one specifically, but it's just a sanding paper. I think this is a pretty aggressive one too, so let's just see how it goes. So we could actually just try to be sanding this down, wet it a little bit, and just try to take off that color right there to the best you can. After you're done sanding it down, see, I sanded it down to the best I could. It's kind of showing some silver. Took off all the red, So and actually taped up this part, taped up all this with the actual brake so no one can get in there. And I think we're ready for our first coat. So I put 2 coats on already. Usually waiting like about 10 minutes in between coats. In the meantime, trying to get this one down. See, as you guys can see, it's already sanded down somewhat. Still need a little more, but yeah, I would say about 10 minutes in between each coat, and then depending on how many coats you want to do. I want mine to look very good, very like bright and stuff. So I'm just gonna go and see how much coats I might need. Like I said, I'm on the second one, 10 minutes in between. Yeah, that's pretty standard time, but let me just crank this one out, and then that's pretty much it. So oh, and I'll show you guys also the Brembo stickers right now. All right guys, and then look, these are actually the Brembo stickers that I got. Super good, honestly, for $10 bucks, not bad at all with shipping. So I think it's gonna look super clean, like just right there, perfect. And yeah, if you guys want to get this type of stickers, I'll probably have them linked down in the description. But I didn't want to get rid of the whole Brembo. Like I've seen cars that just are the calipers are painted and they don't have no type of original like lettering or anything, and I personally don't like it. So I was like, I have to get these. So yeah, you guys, so it got like super dark in us super quick. Don't mind that, but maybe it picks it up. But I don't know if the camera will pick it up right now. But yeah guys, she's basically done. So then after you guys get your guys' coats, however much you guys decide to do, I personally did like 4 or 5. I did quite a bit, but I love how it looks. It looks so freaking good. And then after that, you literally just put the clear coat and you're all set. I already have mine on, so it's looking all good, all shiny and stuff, looking brand new. And yeah, but don't worry guys, I will show you guys in the morning. Just right now I wanted to give you guys a cool little look. It is super dark though. So yeah, let me pick this up in the morning, and so you guys could actually see it in the day with all light coming in everywhere. But man, this thing looks freaking amazing. All right, pick you guys up in a bit. The next day, like I told you guys last night, it got super dark on us super fast. And yeah, so kind of try to show you guys last night, but here it is in the day. And guys, it looks freaking amazing. Literally, like after I posted this, like a bunch of my friends are already texting me. A bunch of people on my car Instagram page are like, yo, where'd you go get them done? Because they look super good. And guys, literally I just did this all by myself. Like I didn't go anywhere. Literally did this with some spray can and just put some good amount of coats in. See, it literally looks super freaking good. It looks like very OEM type look, and that's what I was really going for. And man, I don't know, I just keep staring at them because it looks so freaking nice, and it's such a super easy install, and it's not expensive at all. So guys, like I said, the last part, after you put your coats of your spray can, whatever, I honestly did a lot of coats, guys. If I'm being honest, I probably did like 5 or 6, but it looks so freaking good. Like I did 5 or 6, 10 to 15 minutes in between, and it is just completely dry, but it looks freaking amazing. And I think the thing that really helped at the end was, guys, make sure you guys get this for surely. Like get a clear coat, a gloss one just like this one, because this is the one that's going to give it that good OEM shiny look. It literally just looks like paint. It looks like factory. And then these are the Brembo stickers, like I showed you guys. Literally got these off Amazon for like 6 to 10 bucks. I'll have them linked in the description if you guys want to get some, because guys, this thing looks freaking good. Let me go show you guys the other side. I think the sun's hitting it just right too. Whew, look at that. Oh man, that looks freaking amazing. Like it just looks so OEM. I freaking love it. This is a mod that I've been wanting to do since I first got the car, and it looks so freaking good. I did not expect it to look this damn good, guys. So like I said, make sure you guys get that clear coat at the end, that gloss, because it really just gives that extra shine to make it look like it's literally factory. And it looks freaking amazing, guys. I don't know, super happy. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it's super worth it if you really want to give some little spice to the car. And it's literally all the little things like that, just the little things that really matter, that makes your car stand out the most. Literally in total, guys, I bought 2 spray cans, I bought the clear coat and then the Brembo stickers. It all came out probably to like $25 max all together. $25 compared to $300, like that's a huge difference. So I don't know, guys, I definitely recommend it. If you want to get those cool roller shots of your car rolling, get some cool photos, I think it's gonna look so good, and I'm super excited. And yeah, I hope you guys found this video pretty easy, pretty simple to follow, nothing too hard. Jack up the car, cover up the inside, protect the rotor, tape it up, do what you gotta do how many coats you want to do, brakes in between, then obviously your sticker or clear coat at the end, and you're all set. That's pretty much it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate if you guys are watching this video. Drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.